Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack for LDL cholesterol with Calibrator. So this is the this is the front and the top side view of the kit. And as you can see, so this is the LDL cholesterol with Calibrator. The catalog number for it is 120707. This particular pack has a pack size of 2 into 30 ml and 2 into 10 ml. This kit is C certified, so it needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. This kit contains 3 items. The first two are the cholesterol reagents and the third one is the calibrator. This kit has a standard expiry of 1 year, and this is the side view of the kit. This is the front end of the kit. So this kit is compatible with all Erba analyzers. So to summon things up, this is the Erba Excel system pack of LDL cholesterol with calibrator. The catalog number for this kit is 120707. You can find it here. This particular kit has a pack size of 2 into 30 ml and 2 into 10 ml. The kit contains 3 items: the LDL cholesterol reagent of 2 into 30 ml, LDL cholesterol reagent of 2 into 10 ml, and the final LDL cholesterol calibrator of 1 into 1 ml. So this kit has a standard expiry of 1 year. It is also C certified, and it needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. So that is about the Erba Mannheim Excel system pack of LDL cholesterol with calibrator. Thank you.